guys, welcome to my andwintech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix KineMaster not opening problem on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your KineMaster not opening or crashing or not working, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to long press on your KineMaster app. In this you can see app info. You can open it from here or you can directly open it from the settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps or you will find app manager. Just tap on this. Tap on the see all. In this you need to find KineMaster. Just tap on the KineMaster. In this you can see here storage and cache. Just tap on it. In this you will find clear cache and clear storage. Once you need to tap on the clear storage, then go back. After that you can see here permissions. Just tap on the permissions. Here you need to allow all the permissions one by one. Just tap on the camera and allow the permission, then go back. Tap on the files and media, allow the permission, then go back. Then tap on the microphone, allow the permission, then go back. After that you need to open your Play Store, then type here KineMaster. If your KineMaster is not up to date, then update it from here. Guys, after doing these settings, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix KineMaster not opening problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.